welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve red circle puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov from Russia. Difficulty level of the puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit the red circle into the frame with the rest of the pieces. This puzzle was made from acrylic, the red one for the circle, green for the pieces and black for the frame. And if you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that each and every piece has a small cutout that has a shape of the circle. That means that you have to put the circle inside and rearrange the pieces around somehow so that you fit all of them inside. This puzzle has a unique solution, and it is very difficult to say something about the puzzle without spoiling it. So if you want to buy the puzzle and enjoy the aha moment, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, when you start solving the puzzle, you will definitely try to fit it inside the circle cutout and reorganize the pieces. But after a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes, you will figure out that it is not really possible, since it is not enough just a little bit to cover this gap. But if you put this piece closer to the red circle, you will find that it covers the gap and there is some part of this circle shape left. That means that something is wrong with this circle cutout, and you will be right. What is wrong is that you don't have to follow this shape of the circle. You have to reorganize the pieces in a completely different way, with the circle shape touching the sides of the frame. So the solution will look following. Put one of the pieces like this, the other one will go in this part, the next one will go here, and we have only 2 parts left, which we can put probably like this. Okay, not like this, but the last pieces are quite challenging. I'm always having troubles how to put them, and the last piece will go in here. And what we can see, that the circle shapes are not circles anymore, but there is a square right in the middle, and you can fit the red circle inside. So great solution, and it was a very nice aha moment when I figure out that you don't have to follow the circle shape. So it's a great puzzle, and if you want to buy the red circle or try some other amazing puzzles designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.